Hi, this is Team Cashew. My name is Nicholas Sebesti.
I'm Joe Wallace.
I'm Mark Roenfeld.
Xi Chen.
We are in Physics, Section 2, Month 1402. Our instructor's name is Mr. Thomas Oakson. And today we'll be reviewing granular dynamics and how it is applied to the game industry.
The granular dynamics is the way solid material can move like a liquid.
An example of granular dynamics would be like an avalanche, a rock or mudslide, or sand dunes. Just anything that's a solid material that resembles and moves like liquid.
For this first experiment, we took several solid materials and poured them into a bucket and showed how they would flow out of the bucket into another container as a liquid.
The three materials that we used are sand, gravel, and rice. Rice was the most accurate in replicating the flow of water. As it flows out of the bucket, it folds and falls like pouring water. Gravel was second to accurate as bigger chunks of material collided with each other along the fall. The sand, however, would clump together and did not flow accurately. However, this is a good representation of larger objects colliding and breaking as they fall.
Alright, so review. Why or how can this be applied to the game industry as a whole? Well, it's nice, and it's actually, we really need to know how material works, especially if we're trying to recreate it or simulate it.
And if you think about it in games, a lot of stuff is moving around as you play a game. Falling debris, falling rocks. Just like there's a lot of movement that goes into the game and through the environment. And this principle here is a very good way to present that in the gaming.
Okay.
And you've got games, even whole genres like your racers, sand racers, desert racers, snowboarding games,
just anything that you'd see any fluid dynamics or just like granular dynamics, anything dealing with like for example, the snowboarding video games, like you should see like a rooster tail of snow coming up behind you. That's from like you cutting through the snow, how it reacts. Just stuff like that. So
And since we are all game art students, it's really necessary for us to know something about how to make our scene more realistic, especially when it's related to like something dynamic.
okay. Well, that is it from Team Cashew. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed our video.